Yo mga tol, we're back. And today is a day na install na natin itong nasa magic box na ito. Mahiwagang black box. Punta tayo kay Boss Randy. Install tayo. Let's go! Everything's so bare. Yan. Punta kay Boss Randy. Install tayo ng short shifter. Let's go! Yo mga tol, we're back at AC Car Care. Short shifter install tayo ngayon. Let's go! Peace! Okay mga tol, so this is our VMS Racing Pro Billet version 2 short shifter, our VMS Racing modulo shift knob, our Honda shift seat, and dust cover, and also we have here our aftermarket shifter bushings. So ito yung mga gamitin natin today for the install. Okay, all of these. So tara, samahan nyo ako. Let's go! Ha! I hope hindi sumayad dito. I hope. Okay mga tol, so good thing bumili na tayo nitong dust cover dahil itong nakakabit, yung luma, punit na. Not bad no, for 25 years. So back to the install. So yan yung magiging difference. Yan yung magiging difference sa mounting point. So I hope ito hindi tumama sa ating mid pipe. So check natin, hopefully hindi siya tumama. Let's go! OEM Honda shift seat and dust cover boot. So lalagay sa loob. Tapos tsaka sasaksak dyan. Boss Randy. Ayun na. Out with the old, in with the new. Okay mga tol, so binalot muna natin. Yan. Just to make sure na di magagasgasan pag sinuksok doon sa taas. Alright. Yun! Tayo sa clearance, walang untog. Ha? Polyurethane na yan. Yan. Hindi uuntog, malayo. Naka-adjust na yan doon sa default. Yan. Ayun, linis. Yan ang gawang Boss Randy yan. So, balik na natin to. Kabit natin. And panalo. Yo mga tol, this is our first ever drive using our VMS Racing short shifter. I hope the camera does justice kung ganong kaikli yung throw nito, how short the throw is. Let's go! Yun. So short! Nice! You see? Naka-engage na yun. So short. There. Almost stock feel yung pag-shift. We calibrated yung tension, so almost stock feel. The only difference is the throw is very short. Sobrang bilis mag-engage sa gear. almost no effort. No extra effort pala. Almost no extra effort. Certain. Pagka nagsha-shift. It's so nice to use. Woo! Yo mga tol! So we're back and tapos na rin tayo mag-install and ito na ang ating finished product. So ito, na-tweak na rin natin according to our preferences. So first, yan, nabalik na natin yung lahat ng console and ang ating shift boot. And ayan, nakapaglagay tayo ng grommet dito para clean look lang. Yan, parang stock lang din although nakalubog. And then ito na po yung ating VMS Racing Pro Billet version 2 short shifter. Yan. Yan. Oh ha. Nice. So, as you can see, ang daming levels ng adjustment dito sa lever kung saan mismo nakakabit yung shift knob. Yan. Nice. And yan, dito, yan. Ayan yung side. Ang ating VMS Racing shift knob, of course, and that's how it looks. So next stop natin, kanyang performance check. Pero based dun sa ating first drive, nakita nyo naman, sobrang short ng ating shifting throw. So nice. So yan, up close and personal. Yan. Nice. So once again, thank you VMS Racing, ESR Performance, and of course, Rock the Imports Pinas. Peace! Yo mga tol! So we're done installing na nga, no? Naibalik na natin lahat to. Yan. Naayos na natin, na-tweak na natin according to our preferences. So I still can get over about this shift knob, this short shifter from VMS Racing. This is exactly what happens when form meets function. Ito yun. Tignan nyo, sobrang simple, sobrang ganda, pero functional. Woo! Woo! So, sobrang na-amaze pa rin talaga ako every time I touch and use this. So, again, demo ko lang, no? Oo. Grabe. Sobrang ikli. Talagang sobrang ikli na nung short, yung ating shift throw, oh. Ang ganda talaga. So this will definitely give you more smiles per liter. There's joy in every gear talaga. Again, if it will make you this happy, this excited every time you drive, then you should probably go for it. So once again, thank you for watching. Thank you, VMS Racing, ESR Performance, and of course, Rock the Imports Pinas. Peace!
Thank you, VMS Racing, and the Rock and the Imports. Thank you for the Rock and the Imports.